Thank you for watching this video from Musik Des Ruhms. Our project, Songs for Worship Decrypted, is aimed to teach you the basics of tonic sol-fa notation.
Welcome to Lesson 3. Time Signature.
Everything in the universe progress through time, even music. In this video, we are going to deal with time in music. Before moving into the lesson, hear this musical video, and remember. Keep your attention to its music. What you have to note from this song is that, importantly, it has a rhythm, in the form of drum beats, melody, harmony, in the form of chords, with the help of various instruments and other elements like dynamics, tone, color, texture, and form. What we are interested for this video lesson is the rhythm. Rhythm refers to the repetition of same or different notes and rests in time, equally divided in a measure. Rhythm tells you about when and how long the notes or rests are played or sung. Rhythm also has some fundamental elements, and one among the element is time signature. Time signatures specify how many beats are contained in each measure of music, and which note value is equivalent to one beat. In staff notation, the time signature is represented by a set of numbers, one on top of the other. See the dotted red circle in the picture. The top number represents how many beats are there in a measure, while the bottom number represents what type of note gets the beat. Here in this example, the top number is 4, which means there are 4 beats in the measure, and the bottom number is 4, which means quarter note equals a beat. We hope you understand what is a time signature. We are now going to explore more about time signature in tonic sol-fa notation.
Section 1, Time Signature in Tonic Sol-fa Notation.
Mainly, 4 time signatures are common in Songs for Worship Songbook. These are the time signatures. The time signature of a particular song will not be written anywhere in the music notation of the song. Instead, you have to find the type of time signature from the music notation. In the next section, you will study how to find the time signature of songs in Songs for Worship Songbook. A better understanding of the lesson about measure and pulse is required to completely learn the time signatures.
Section 2, Interpretation of Time Signature.
Let's take song number 34. This song has 4/4 time signature. But how you can interpret it? Take any measure and count the number of pulses. In the first measure you have 3 notes and a horizontal line in 4 pulses. That is, it is a 4-pulse measure, which tells you that the song is in 4/4 time signature. Now take song number 33. This song has 3/4 time signature. In first measure you have 3 notes in 3 pulses. That is, it is a 3-pulse measure, which tells you that the song is in 3/4 time signature. Take song number 260. This song has 7/8 time signature. In first measure you have 4 notes and 3 horizontal line in 7 pulses. That is, it is a 7-pulse measure, which tells you that the song is in 7/8 time signature. Try reading our ebook, if you find this difficult to follow. In the previous examples, you saw only 1 note or a horizontal line in every pulses. But see this example. Here in the first measure, the first pulse is divided into 2 and the notes do and re occupied the location. The same thing repeats in the third and fourth pulse of the first measure. The green box represents the duration of a note. Depending upon the composition, pulse can be divided into halves by placing a full stop in the middle of it and into quarters by placing a comma in the middle of each half. A combination of dot and comma is also often seen in some of the compositions. Take song number 473. Two notes separated by dot and comma means, the duration of first note will be 3/4 and second note will be 1/4 of the total pulse duration. There is one symbol related to time signature in Songs for Worship Songbook. This symbol is called fermata. Fermata is a musical notation indicating that the note can be prolonged beyond the normal duration. See fourth section of song number 9, first tune. Usually the note with fermata is prolonged for 1 or 2 pulses. That brings us to the end of this lesson. Goodbye. Till we meet on our next video about repetition symbols.